Hello, good morning. Today I want to present about micro, small, and medium entity financial accounting standards ratified by the Indonesian Accounting Association Financial Accounting Standards Board on October 21, 2016. Okay, first I would like to discuss about the scope. Micro, small, and medium entity financial accounting standard used for micro, small, and medium entity. Micro, small, and medium entity is entities without significant performance of an entity that is useful to a large number of users in economic decision by anyone who isn't in position to request special financial statements to meet that information need. And what is financial position? Financial position is information consists of information on assets, liabilities, and equity of the equity at a certain date and can be present in the statement of financial position. What is assets? Assets are resources controlled by the entity as a result of hard events from which future economic benefits are expected to know the two entities. And then liabilities. Liabilities is obligation of the entity arising from past events, the settlement of which result in an outflow from the entity of research embodying economic benefits. And the last, equity. Equity is residual interest in the entity's assets after deducting all of its liabilities. We discuss about performance. Performance is information on the entity financial performance consists of information about income and expenses during the reporting period and it presented in the income statement. Income covers revenues and gains. Revenues is income arising from implementation of entity activities, for example, selling and dividend. Then gains reflect other items that meet the definition of income, but not included in the income category. For representation. Representation requires an honest presentation of the effect of transactions, events, and other conditions in accordance with the criteria for recognizing assets, liabilities, income, and expense. Financial report consists of three parts: statement of financial position at the end of the period, income statement for the period, notes to financial statement which contain addition and details of certain relevant items. Then statement of financial position. Information presented are cash, account receivable, supply, fixed assets, account payable, bank debt, and equity. And notes to financial statement. What is the part item include financial statement? Information presented on notes to financial statement is a statement that the financial statement have been presented in accordance micro, small, and medium entity financial accounting standards. Then accounting policy overview. And the third, additional information and details of certain items that describe important transaction and material transaction that useful for users to understand the financial statement. Accounting principles. What is accounting principles? Accounting principle is principles, basic conventions, rules, and practices applied by entities in preparing and presenting financial statement. When accounting policies change, there is two agreements that can make accounting policy change. The first required to change according to micro, small, and medium entity financial accounting standards, or will produce financial statements that provide reliable and more relevant information about the effect of transactions, other events, and conditions on the financial position of financial performance. And these are the following are not changed in accounting policies. The first, the applications of accounting policies for transaction under events and conditions that differ substantially from those that have occurred previously, and the application of new accounting policies for transactions, other events, and conditions that have not previously occurred. And last, implementation of change in accounting policies. The entity applies accounting policies as a result of change in requirement in micro, small, and medium entity financial accounting standards in accordance with the traditional provisions, or the entity applies all other changes in accounting policies retrospectively. So that's my presentation about micro, small, and medium entity financial accounting standards. Thank you.